Flexbox or grid? Most front-end developers know both, but still use the wrong one in production. Let's fix that in under 2 minutes. Flexbox is built for one-dimensional layouts. That means either a row or a column, perfect for aligning items in a single direction. But once you try building a full page layout with Flexbox, things start breaking. Spacing becomes hacky and responsiveness turns painful. CSS Grid is designed for two-dimensional layouts, rows and columns together. If you're designing a page structure, Grid feels almost magical. Use Flexbox for nav bars, toolbars, and small UI groups. Use Grid for dashboards, galleries, and full layouts. Small structure, Flexbox. Big structure, Grid. Here's the golden rule. If you're aligning content, use Flexbox. If you're designing layout, use Grid. Remember this, and you'll rarely go wrong. Modern CSS isn't Flexbox or Grid. It's both. Follow Coding with Chan for real front-end clarity.